Hello everyone. So today is 7th of July and let's discuss what we analyzed yesterday and what we are expecting next. Okay. So the thing is that yesterday we analyzed that the world markets are bleeding, and so there is a high probability that we'll see a gap down. But after the gap down, there will be some up move. Okay. So that has to happen. So there will be sharp recovery, or there will be some kind of recovery, whatever. So market will recover, okay, and then the selling will start, okay. So as you can see, like Nifty, Bank Nifty went gap down, open gap down, and then you can see the sharp recovery in Nifty. Bank Nifty did not recover much, but yes, you can very well see the sharp recovery in Nifty because we analyzed that there are two main reasons, okay. One is the big guys were already, majorly their positions were long positions, okay. So that will be in loss and they have to offload them, or maybe they have to take fresh short positions. So they won't take it below, okay. They won't take the market below and make short positions. So they would take it higher up and then take the short positions, okay. And exactly it matched, and as it went up, it was a sell on rise. I even told that. And see, I'm not saying that yes, you should have exactly shorted from the top, but you should have known that yes, after recovery, selling will start, and yes, when you saw the selling started, so you could have sold easily, okay. So it was a sell on rise, and after this, like here, coming down here, so there was a stop loss hunting, okay. So for the 19,400 call writers, there was a stop loss hunting that was done. And yes, even in Bank Nifty also you could see that it went 45,000. The call writers, to hunt some of the beers, it went up, and that was we clearly analyzed that at 1433, that now SL hunting of the beers, so take the advantage to short at a higher price, okay. So the idea was to short the market again, that is short the index in Nifty or Bank Nifty. And so the we analyze at 233, so which is this candle, okay. And even after that there were two candles, and that was a perfect opportunity here to short the market at a higher price. And yeah, so for Bank Nifty even, and after that market fell, okay. So Nifty fell by almost more than 100 points. So even even if you haven't been able to ride 100 points, let's say 50 to 60 points, that is also enough for intraday. And yes, and Bank Nifty fell almost 200 points. So even don't think about riding the whole 200 points. Experts, like there are people who say that देखा मैंने इधर बोला था फिर market इतना तक गिर गया. अरे, even if you give that expert the trade, he would have closed it here. Okay, he even doesn't know that market will fall till that point or something, okay. But yes, we analyze further something, that is put buyers were present. But yes, the thing is that one shouldn't like take the full credit of this fall. देखा मैंने इधर बोला था इतना तक गिर गया. So that person will go till the end and see that okay, इतना तक गिर गया, इतना points मिला. So it's not like that. So practically when you're trading, it's not like you will ride the whole when you're shorted the market at here. So when you get 60 to 70 points, you won't wait for the 100 points. So suppose at the end market reverses and whatever you made a loss, you may not be in like profit or something, anything can happen, right? So yes, 60 to 70 points enough, and even like 100 points in Bank Nifty is also enough for intraday. And also not only that, we analyzed that this was during the intraday that I said that today in EOD data we will see call short and put buying by the big guys. I clearly said this at 3:12 p.m. and yes, that exactly is showing up in the EOD data. So talking about the EOD data here, as you can see, the prop decks, okay, the prop decks, they have closed some of their put writing positions. So they haven't made any put writing positions overall today, okay. some of a very few close. Okay, you can't say a huge amount of put writing has been closed. They have done some put short covering, but yes, they have closed. But you see here the put buying quantity. So this put buying quantity is totally like only put buying. Okay, so no put writing at all. So, and also for the FII is also the same thing. They haven't done much put writing, but again huge put buying has been done by these both prop decks and FIIs. But moreover in option chain they have done huge call writing by the prop decks. Okay, huge. And also a good amount of call writing by the FIIs as well. And they have also so call buying has been done, but the prop decks, they have bought these calls to hedge their positions, the call writing positions. And also the FIIs, they have bought calls to hedge their call writing positions. But there are for FIIs there are a little bit more call buying positions which I think have been taken to hedge the futures short positions, because they have initiated some futures short positions, and I think to hedge them, because whatever is happening in the market, last time the big guys did take short positions and market went up, rallied, and they had to short cover. Okay, so I think just for safety purpose they have the FIIs have done these call buying positions to properly hedge their call writing and future short positions. They have also closed some of their futures long positions. And again I don't think that temporarily they have made these writing positions, but they have still time, not writing positions, long positions in future, so they have time for these long positions. And again, as I said, their average is way below 19,000, so they are overall profitable with these huge futures long positions. Future short positions which have been initiated today. And talking about prop decks, many positions in the future short have been closed, but still a good amount of future shorts they are holding. And futures long positions have been closed. And so overall futures, today's position is bearish, but overall prop decks is bearish, but FIIs are bullish. Just for today's position, if you just look at that, then bearish positions have been taken. Okay, and again, if market again goes makes a dip of about 100 more points or 200 more points, I'm talking about Nifty, they won't be at a loss. Okay, the futures long won't be at a loss. Instead, the future short positions would be at a profit. Now talking about here, that is, I'm talking about the recent future short positions. And now talking about here, that is the option chain, overall short positions by the big guys. But yes, don't think that market will crash or something. Now the bears are just one day some fall comes and the bears start shouting that stock market crash, but still the data is not saying that. So we might see some healthy correction, maybe around 100 points or maybe 200 points in Nifty. But if I get 100 points, like I have taken these positions as like these call writing positions at 90,500 and 600 and 45,500 and 600 as positional. So if I get 100 points move downwards, I'll just close and then I'll start observing. Okay, because we have to be very careful in this market while trading. And moreover, you have seen me like waiting for the whole day and then coming at the end and taking a perfect trade every day, because you have to understand the market will always give you surprises. Wait for the surprises, and once you get it that this is the surprise, take the advantage of that. Like we took the advantage here that stop loss hunting of the bears were coming after 230, and we took the advantage to short the market at a higher price. Okay, so that's how you can benefit, okay, by waiting, observing and looking at the market and going 100%. Okay, the last few days it's all going 100%. Okay, so June month went the first 2 weeks were like excellent, and the last 2 weeks were like horrible. Okay, so that's why like going very safe, and yes, going with 100% accuracy this month of July. And yes, so that's how I am making my trades and taking my trades very carefully. So again, I'm saying that yes, we are expecting a fall, a further fall, because these big guys have bought puts, which we also analyzed during the day intraday, and majorly these put buying has been done in Nifty. Okay, and yes, so 100 points fall or 200 points fall, and then again we can recover. Okay, so that's what my analysis is saying, until unless these futures short positions also starts covering up. Okay, so we have to analyze whether these futures put trading positions are getting covered up or not, and accordingly we have to take decision. Okay, so again, my final verdict would be that this would be a sell on rise market, and majorly the big guys have taken call writing positions and put buying positions. So we are expecting a further fall, and with further fall like in Nifty 100 to 150 or 200 points, after that we'll close our positions, short positions, and we'll observe the market, and again we will go with a fresh analysis and go for fresh we'll take fresh trades according to that. Okay, so yes, that's the overall analysis of today. And talking about I think the FIIs. So the FIIs have like the DIs are the main, almost they sold for 3,000 crores, and FIIs only bought for 790 crores. And today the indicators, there was some data problem, and so the indicators data was like, the indicators did not though at the end it was showing some negative strength, but yes, we got only few data points. So today we did not get much data points, so that the indicator did not work perfectly today. And so due to the data problem, okay, and nothing else. And yes, and again declines are increasing, advances, like as I told you that the market, Nifty was going Nifty and BankNifty were going higher up, but overall market was not participating. And yes, that was the main reason, like I was totally not participating in this up move. And yes, so I told you my final verdict, and yesterday's analysis matched 100%. So if my analysis are helping you, don't forget to put a like, and please do share it among the other traders. And if you want such intraday analysis, you are almost welcome to be a part of the derivatives indicator family. And thanks for watching. So keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.